Hey, if you find yourself stretching, but the next day, everything gets tight again, it's probably not because your body needs more flexibility. It could be because you need more stability. Let me explain. I was just stretching my hip flexors right here and even into my psoas by doing this stretch. But if my body doesn't feel safe, then what happens is something called muscle guarding. And that means I'll stretch these muscles out, my hips will feel loose, my pelvis will reset, my lower back will feel amazing, and then I go to bed and I wake up and everything went right back to where it was before. And the solution is two things. It's making sure that you're adding strength while stretching, and then making sure that you're adding stability in that same range of motion. So let's use the hip flexors for an example. A lot of people have tight hip flexors, which pull their pelvis into this anterior pelvic tilt like this. This happens because we sit a lot. One of my favorite stretches is to do a kneeling hip flexor stretch like this. Now, how do we add strength in this position to make the body feel safe? Well, in this position, what we're going to do is I'm going to drag my knee forward towards my heel until I feel my hip flexors firing. So first I get to the stretch, then I drag the knee forward, I let that hip flexor fire, I squeeze the glutes, I hold for 10 seconds, but watch what happens. As I exhale, 3, 2, 1, and let go, it allows me to increase my range of motion. So this will help you gain more flexibility safely and gain strength. And then on top of that, what you want to do is also strengthen those same muscles. And a great way to do that for the hip flexors is simply to sit in a chair, nice tall posture, and then lift your knee up as high as you can, hold, and come back down, and alternate back and forth like this for a minute. So if you literally do a hip flexor stretch on the right side for a minute, on the left side for a minute, and then marching in a chair like this for a minute, you'll strengthen your hip flexors and you'll gain flexibility, and you won't wake up the next day feeling tighter. Hey, and if feeling flexible still feels out of reach, just click the link in the description below and we'll build you a 10-minute customized stretching routine that's unique to your body.